So fixing charging problem on a Lenovo Yoga 260. So you plug the power cable and is only drawing 100 milliamps. This is what the Super IO chip is taking, is not drawing any more current. After checking the first two MOSFETs, after checking the MOSFETs from the power connector, they all seems okay. So the cause is most likely this BQ chip over here. Let's remove it, replace it, and see if we getting any better. Okay, so let's remove the chip and let's replace it. Okay. Okay, so let's see. This tweezers. Okay. So we start by heating up the chip a little bit. You don't want to pull too quick, okay? When you see it's ready, it's ready. So we have pin number 1 in here, right? Okay, so it's out. To thin the chip, I'll get some solder on the iron. Make like a solder ball. And just go like a beautiful, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll put a little bit of let's clean this bridges, okay? Okay. Okay, so let's bring the board back. Let's put the chip, right? Okay, so where's my pin number 1? Pin number 1 is here. You see that dot? And pin number 1 is here and here. Okay. Now I clean the excess. Beautiful. And now let's clean it. Now it's perfectly straight, right? So now let's clean again. So now let's cool down the board a little bit and let's try it. So after the chip has been replaced and the temperature has lowered, let's connect the battery. Okay, let's connect the charger. Let's have a look. We have the orange light. And if we have a look, it's drawing 2.2 amps now. So now it's charging the battery just fine. Thank you for watching.